In this video, I'll show you how to attach a strap, a lanyard, to your AirPods Pro 2nd generation. Since this time we have this small metal thing here where we can actually connect one of these. So to do so, all you have to do is, all these straps have this thin kind of cord here at the end. Just need to fish it through one of the two holes that are there. Keep pushing and it should come up, and it should come out from the other one. Once you're done here, you're gonna open the loop there and you're gonna pass the other end of this lanyard through it. So let me demonstrate. Like so. So you're gonna pass it completely. And when you arrive at the end, just pull and you're done. It's now fully secured and you'll be able to use your AirPods Pro attached to, I don't know, your wrist, or, they'll be harder to lose this way. So thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, a comment down below. I'll even put some links if you want to get one of these on Amazon, and I'll see you in the next one.